Alright, so let's go ahead and make this ship move. What we're going to do is go ahead and drag it in. And if you want to make it, I'd make it a little bit smaller. Like so. And now what we're going to do is double click on it and let's add some move functions to it. So we're going to create a rule and move right. And I'm going to kind of speed through this since this is the same way we've used in the previous exercises to move. So I'm going to click right. When the right is moved pressed, we want it to move right. So let's go to change velocity, and we want to leave the direction at 0, which is moving right. Speed at 300 is fine, and then we need to make sure it stops. So we're going to change the velocity, add it 0 right here, and then let's go ahead and click Alt and copy that and move left. And we want to change the right key to left, and then we want to change the direction to 180. Okay, and then click on that, minimize that, copy that, up, keyboard up, and direction 90. And one more, hold down Alt, copy that, and do down, and that's 270. And now change the keyboard to down, and now we have move. And let's go ahead and create a group. If we create a group, that we can kind of just put all these in the group, which is kind of nice. You don't have to, but it's nice to kind of organize them. Let's see, move, drag that one in, and I'm just going to drag that one in, and drag that one in. So this actor will have a lot of info on it, so a lot of attributes defined to it. So we've just created a group, and then let's just name that move. Okay, and let's play that, make sure it plays. Great. So now let's go ahead and add the laser to it. Okay, so we're going to add the laser. So I'm going to go back to the scene, and we need to add the laser right here. So I'm going to drag the laser image in there, and there we go. And let's double click on the laser, and we want to, let's do a move function for this. So we just want to go down to your attributes and behaviors, and we want move, and we want the direction to be 0, moving to the right, and speed. Let's do, the ship moves at 300, so it should be a little bit faster than the ship. So let's do 450, and then let's go ahead and spawn that. So let's go ahead and go to the ship, create new rule, and when the key is pressed, and what key? Let's do the space bar. So when the space bar is pressed, we want to spawn, we want to create that laser. So go up to spawn actor, and which actor do we want to spawn? We want to spawn the laser, and then the direction, we want it to go right. That's right. This is the X and the Y position, and let me show you what that means. When I hit preview, you can see that it's starting to shoot, and it's being spawned right at the center point right here. We will probably want the laser to be spawned kind of in, closer to the front. So if we go back and change this X position to maybe, like, let's say 60, we're moving it 60 pixels to the right. Now you can see that it spawns probably too far. So I'm going to go back and maybe put like 50. So now, there you go. So now we have it moving up and down and shooting the lasers.